So you are seeing the music on Instagram notes of your friends, but you yourself don't get the music option available in your Instagram notes. In this video, I will tell you one simple thing that will make the music option available in your Instagram notes. And for that purpose, you don't have to first of all open the Instagram app, but you have to open App Store if you are on iPhone, and you have to open Play Store if you are on Android. And after opening it, you have to search it here, Instagram, and hit the search button. And when this Instagram app appears up, you have to tap on that, and you have to check whether there is any pending update of Instagram app or not, because if there is any pending update, you will not be able to add music to your Instagram notes. So you first of all have to update your Instagram app if an update is written here on this button. So after updating, the second step is you have to open the Instagram app, and now you will have the music option in the notes available for you. For example, if I tap on plus button here for adding a note, and here you can see that after updating my app, I have this music option available here in the notes option. But as I told you that if your app is not updated, this option will not get visible for you. And even after updating the app, you don't get the notes option available in your Instagram app, then the next step you're gonna do is you have to go to your profile, and next you have to tap on the three lines available in the top right corner of your screen. Next you have to go to settings and privacy, and the next option you have to hop into is scroll down and scroll more to the end, and here is the option of help. So tap on help, and from here you have to select report a problem. Report problem without shaking. The next option you have to select is include and continue, and here you have to write this thing. So after writing this description, you have to simply tap the send button and your report will be sent, and maximum chances are that you will get the music option in your account within 24 to 48 hours. Hope it helps. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.